Hello, Serious Survivor here, and today we're going to look at a product that I'll tell you right off the bat I really like a lot, and it's not a necessity, but it's one of those things that will make things a little easier, a little more convenient when you're in a wilderness setting or even an urban setting. When it comes to cooking, say things like boiling water or warming up your meals in a survival situation, then if a lot of times we're stuck with things like I'm having to put my cup or my pot or the bowl, the metal bowl I'm using to eat, I have to put it directly on the fire or build some type of rack to hold it above the fire, and then I got to get it off of the fire. And no big deal, that works just fine. But I ran across this product the other day, and there will be a link in the description below, and it comes in this little leather pouch. It's a nice little pouch it comes in. But what this product is, when you first look at it, it's what this does is allows you to build a tripod of sorts, to use a hanging pot or hanging cup to suspend it above your fire so that it's not too hot, you're not burning or damaging some of your camping gear, because some of the camping gear, unless you get the really good stuff, some of it after you heat up multiple times, it's going to start cracking, it's going to start getting damaged, and this is going to help prevent that. One of the things I like about this kit is that's the size of it. This is it. This is the size of this kit. So it does not take up really any space inside of my bug out bag or my survival gear. So let's open this up and let's check it out, and then we're going to set it up and see what it is. All right, here we go. As you can see, it's triangular in shape, rounded around the edges, not too sharp, so you could keep it in your pocket and you wouldn't have to worry about it, stabbing you in the leg or anything. And then the chain that goes with it here, a suspension chain that's made to suspend, whatever device you need to suspend. So basically the way it works is you loop it through here, and you're going to lock it into place at whatever height you need. You adjust the chain to your height, and we're going to use 3 sticks as tripods basically, and what that's going to do is allow me to suspend my cookware above the fire. Now to do that, of course, you're going to have cookware that has a handle on it that can be suspended, and that's why I like this little thing. I just bought these, and I really do like them a lot. This is a combination, cup. It has measuring cup markings on the side, has the grips for a handle, and you can see there, stainless steel, 750 millimeters. Has a lid with steam holes, like that. But it also has your suspension hanger here that I can just hang it up above my fire. And this is, like I said, this is not something that's an absolute necessity, but this does keep it above the fire. If I've got my gloves on, it makes it really easy for me to come over here and just get my food without reaching down into the flame. And it's pretty cheap too. I paid about, I think I paid 12 for this pot. 12 for this pot. And if I'm not mistaken, this was about 12 bucks too. So I got about 25 bucks wrapped up into these two. And it just gives me the ability to cook my food above the flame instead of in the flame. And that can be very helpful. So I'm going to set this up, and we're going to look at it. Very easy setup. You basically have 3 sticks, 3 poles, anything that'll fit in here, and we create a tripod. And here we can see it set up. Very easy to set up. Took me literally a minute, if that, a minute and a half. Now I do recommend using a much taller sticks than what I did here. I'm just demonstrating in the video. I would go with about 4-foot long sticks, or even tent poles. If you had tent poles that could withstand the heat of a fire, being suspended above a fire like that, then those would work really well too. Now you could also use this for other things if you needed to, but I like it a lot. I think it's a very convenient item. This is not a paid review, it's just an honest opinion. So I hope the video is informative. Thanks a lot for watching, and for now, Serious Survivor, out.